Hi, this is Start 3D Modeling channel, and in this video I will show you how to create this type of part in Plasticity. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please subscribe, and now let's create a new project and start by drawing a line. Select Line Drawing and choose this point as the starting point of the line. Click here with the left mouse button, then move the line along the X-axis. Press the Tab key and enter 20 mm as the length of the line, then press Enter. Now press the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-C, Ctrl-V, and we will move the copy of this line 20 mm along the Y-axis. So press the Y key and enter 20, then press Enter. Click OK, and we have two lines here. Now I will switch to the top view. Here I select the command to draw a circle with 2 points. If you don't see this command here, hover your cursor over this area, press and hold the left mouse button, and select this command. Choose this point as the first point of the circle and this point as the second point. Then select the trimming command and trim this segment of the circle and click OK. Now switch to point selection. Select this point and activate the Move command by pressing the G key on the keyboard. Move this point 3 mm down, which means moving it 3 mm along the Y-axis in the negative direction. I press the Y key, then on the keyboard I type -3 and press Enter to confirm. Enter again to end this command. Then I select this point. I activate the Move command again by pressing the G key on the keyboard, and here I move it along the Y-axis 3 mm up, which means I press the Y key, then the key 3 and press Enter to confirm. Enter again to end this command. Now I switch to line selection. Select all lines and press the J key on the keyboard to join these 3 lines into one geometry. Then these geometries are selected. I activate the Offset command by pressing the O key on the keyboard and add an offset of this geometry by 3 mm. I press the D key to specify the offset value precisely and enter 3. I press Enter and Enter again to finish. Now I select the Draw a Circle with 2 points command again and draw a circle in such a way that the points of the circle lie at the ends of the lines. And we do the same here. Now I select the Geometry Trimming command and trim these segments of the circles. I click OK and close the view on this plane. We have this geometry. Now I switch to face selection, select this area and add an extrusion of 15 mm, which means I press the D key, enter 15 and press Enter, then Enter again to finish this command. We have something like this. Now I switch to the side view and we'll create 2 lines here approximately in this way. Here I don't care about the exact shape, I don't care about the exact dimensions, I just want to create something like this. Now I have this line selected and I choose the mirror option. I add a mirror across the plane passing through the center of the solid. To do this, I activate the Freestyle function by pressing the F key. For the first point of this plane, I choose the middle of this line, and here for the second point I click on some point on this auxiliary line. A second line has been created here. I click OK and we have something like this. Now I switch to solid selection, select this solid and press the C key on the keyboard to activate the Cut command. I select this line as the cutting line and click OK. Then I select the solid again, press the C key to activate the Cut command. Now I choose this line as the cutting plane and click OK. Now I select these geometries and delete them, which means I select the geometry, press the Delete key, and do this with those geometries. Then I select all flat geometries and turn off their visibility. Now I switch to edge selection, and with the Shift key, I select these 4 edges. Let's add a fillet with a radius of 20 millimeters. So I press the D key, enter 20, enter, and enter again. Here I didn't select all the edges, so again with the Shift key I select these edges, and again press the D key, type 20, hit enter, enter again, and we have something like this. Now I will create a sphere. Choose to create a sphere, create the sphere anywhere, press the tab key and enter 15 millimeters as the diameter of the sphere. We have this sphere, and now I activate the scale command. I press the S key on the keyboard, and we will slightly reduce the size of this sphere. Here we adjust this scale quite freely. Let's do something like this. Next, I draw a line that will lie on the x-axis. It will be a cutting line. To cut this sphere in half, I select this sphere and activate the cut command. I select this line. Here, this plane has been chosen as the cutting plane, so I will cancel this. I will set the side view and activate the cut command. Again, I press the C key on the keyboard, select this line, and now this plane has been selected as the cutting plane. I click OK, and the sphere has been split into two parts. Now I select one part, press the delete key, and turn off the visibility of the flat geometry as well. We have something like this. Now I select this geometry and activate the place command. This command can be activated by pressing the keyboard shortcut Ctrl D, or simply from the command list we select the place command. Now as a reference point we choose this point, and we place this point here. OK? Right click to confirm this, and we can place this solid in another place. We do the same on the second face. If it happens that the solid is placed in such a way, as if inside the solid, press the F key to flip this solid. Here we have the F flip command, and this command will allow us to flip this solid. We click the left mouse button here, right click to accept it, and click escape to end this command. This solid is selected, and press delete to remove it. Now we select all solids and press the Q key to activate the Boolean command. We click Q again to activate the union solid operation. Then we switch to edge selection. I press the 2 key on the keyboard, and with the Shift key, I select these two edges. Now let's add a radius. So I press the D key with a value of 3 millimeters. And OK, we have this solid. In this example, I wanted to show you a few operations for creating 3D solids in Plasticity. As you can see, in Plasticity, we can create 3D models very quickly and efficiently. We will end here. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to this channel.